Drop it, somewhere that is not sitting.
What the fuck?
I drop it, not sitting.
Come on, you I'm light up with.
Me no light now. Guys, I'm dying for you to see the bathroom, see? I'm dying for it, you don't see it. Guys, I don't want to feel like this building thing is a competition thing, you know. Even though I buy a door around stuff like that, I don't want to feel like this building thing is a competition thing. It's no competition. Yeah, and that's a message to all of the people out there. We feel like, say, me doing this is a whole competition. It is no competition. Me not gonna compete with you for have ambition. No, me not gonna do that. If you want to rent Airbnb all day of your life, me not gonna come between you and the people in Airbnb. You know why I love Airbnb. Amen? Amen. Oh, I ask the bill. I ask the bill. Cuz boy, they say they want to see bathroom. Next 3 day. You mean next 3 day? Tell her thanks, tell who thanks. Oh, I have to jump off my life now, guys. Jane. Jane, what's up? Feel proud of you. Guys, thank you so much. Everybody will say them proud of me. Big up on yourself. Him did tell her the amount of thanks me tell her. Yeah, cause honestly, you know, guys, me I telling you the truth. I want to do this long time, you know, but me never have, me no grow with no gold spoon in my mouth, you know, and you see the highlight what she give me thank God for it, and when I come out and I thank her for it, you see me, but yeah, me never have it, but this was always something. You see me, but I just life still. I just life. And I tell you now, me, a whole heap of youth out there like me, where we did I live like me, and just want somebody to give them that push them. But them just now go come out and say, yo, you know, say, me no live nowhere hard, you know, say, me live in a one shop hard, you know, say, I guess some live, them just now go do that. If you not believe me, I'm scared. Yeah, I was still young, I was still a whole life either way, and that's why I don't want nobody to go on like them want beat me down or cow me down. You see me, the kitchen is a must. You see somebody say kitchen a while ago, and it not planned yet, but that are the next plan after. In here say done and the bathroom, that are the next plan. Yeah, but you know, over this place, I look a window there. I go put a mesh on the outside, and you know, I go put this as a local kitchen area, so I can have a look 1, 2 burner stove there, so, and you know, I look a fridge in the corner. Yeah, I'm going. But like I said before, guys, we still need help, so if anybody if you can help me, please. And honestly, my birthday is Friday. Yeah, rain or fall. No, I'm not going to paint it. My birthday is Friday and I don't even have a new suit of clothes so I'm going to put on. So, Friday, I'm going to put on the suit. If Friday my party, you know? Friday my party and I don't even have a new suit. If you say me I go put on that suit on Friday in my party. Bro, I show like I don't understand a wholly like it's a lot. One wholly. Mine is Saturday. Birthday Friday. I keep the party, so I don't know anybody who can pass through. I can pass through, I can pass through. Moet. Moet say found you. I'm there, Moet. Where go on? Mind that. So now my birthday is 27th of June. That's Friday. Alright, you're good. Yeah, I'm good. My day I look some money for buy some material. I can't beg you $100. New page, yes, new page, guys. Alright, for who never know, guys, I lose both page. I lose my official page and I lose my backup page. So I'm there for build a new page here, guys. So this is how you're gonna find me. Every day, each day, every night, each night. This is how you're gonna find me. If my head hurt me, yes, so I'm gonna go live. If nothing happen, if you don't want to see something about the place, the house, the shop, the bathroom, yes, I want to go find me. Them mute crazy for no reason.
Yeah, come on, extension.
Should be out?
Yeah, plug it in.
Kevin, how going? You good? Yeah, I'm good at your house that you work on. Yeah.
Yeah, I Charlie Sound Pop.
What you going for?
The ball of fire, since I can run it.
Yeah, but hold on, I have to go jump off my live and jump off my live and make it call. I have to jump off my live and make it call. Yeah, guys, you know, follow me. Everybody follow me. Follow me, please. Guys, you know, understand me. I have some... Through me at my day at work, I don't know the workman them there and I say them want certain things, so I forget that organized. So everybody follow me, please. Follow me. I go come back and see the guys. TikTok police. TP. With a heartbreak sign. You see the heartbreak something like that? Also the happy face over this one a Mark X, because I always want a Mark X. Yeah. You see there? TP. Proud of you. Thank you so much. Guys, I'm going to jump up. That's why I'm telling you to follow me. Follow me now, guys. 400 and odd people over here and I only 227 people follow me. Keep up the good work. Thank you so much. Guys, you know, follow me now. May I go now 2 minutes to follow me, please. 2:31 it reach now. 2:31 it reach. Follow me, please. Follow me. Cartoon urgent. Jesus Christ, I'm gonna follow my friend. Ashira, what go on? What happened to your old page? Them take it, TikTok, take it in a real life. Take it, gone with it. Them say me nah get it back. Hungry, no dog? You hungry? You know? Yeah, you may have chat, you know, hungry. Hungry as fuck. Cuz boy, you know hungry? Yeah, man, I run from my place, man. Then take me a call, then not get back. I feel sick, but then say, I can't get it back. I'm okay, Ashira. I'm there going to hold it, you know? I don't know who report it. I don't think nobody report it, though. I don't know.